Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize writing skills with Memrise, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Memrise and log into your account. Select the courses option from the main menu. Search for writing skill courses in the search bar. Choose a course that focuses on writing improvement. Click on the course to open it. Start with the introductory lesson to familiarize yourself with the material. Take notes on key concepts presented in the lesson. Practice the exercises provided within the course. Use the spaced repetition feature to reinforce what you've learned. Engage with the community discussions for additional insights. Set daily goals to maintain consistency in your practice. Experiment with creating your own flashcards for personalized learning. Incorporate writing prompts from the course into your daily writing routine. Review your progress regularly to identify areas for improvement. Adjust your learning strategy based on your performance. Continue exploring advanced writing courses as you progress. Finish each course with a final assessment to gauge your improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.